honor the most sa atin pong Yesland family?
Sa akin siguro yung excellent service na binibigay natin sa ating mga client. No? Yun. So, good morning and Merry Christmas, Yesland family! Yan. Kuya Rod po ulit from Team Jerusalem. So, para po sa akin, yung key attitude na pinapa-embrace ko po sa aking team is yung empowerment, no? So, technically, magagaling na po yung aking team, no? And that's why I'm giving each individual the power to stand on their own. By mentoring and guiding my team, I not only share my knowledge and experience, but also help build their confidence and skills. And this empowerment has led us to greater collaboration as everyone feels more comfortable sharing ideas, taking initiative, and contributing to our collective goals. Despite uncertainties and challenges, we continue to thrive. I would like to thank God for giving Team Guardians to me. Thank you guys for your dedication and hard work. This is for you. Special thanks to QSM Alma Beltran and Mike Pilueta, my co-leaders in the team, for their constant support and guidance. I also appreciate Broker Beth and QSD Papa Jail for their wisdom and advice, which have inspired me to continuously improve. Thank you, Team Jerusalem family, Yesland family and friends, Broker Nikki, Broker Richard, YLR staff, and of course, thank you to my wife, Jeline, who are my foundation and constant source of encouragement. And my message to all, true success is not about merely achieving goals. It's about how much you grow in the process. Thank you, and to God be the glory.
Good morning, everyone. Merry Christmas na din po and a Happy New Year. This is my opportunity to greet everybody na. And I would like to honor today talaga si Lord kasi without Him talaga, I'm not here po talaga. And by the way, I am Ann Carag, or yung mas kilala ko as Annalyn Carag, your servant leader in Yesland Realty. Yun pa po, yung question sa amin, bale, i-share ko muna yung Bible verse na ginamit ko po sa question. In Psalm 100 verses 2 says, serve the Lord with all your heart and gladness. So yun, parang, kasi di ba dito sa atin sa Yesland, wala tayo talagang ginawa kundi mag-serve. Kasi kita naman natin ang ating CEO is a servant talaga. Servant talaga siya ni Lord. So siya yung ginawa kong talagang idol para dito mag-success dito sa Yesland. So ito lang po talaga yung lagi kong ina-advise sa kanila, yung mission before commission, yun po kasi talaga yung ano natin sa Yesland, di po ba? And lalo na pag mga bago pa lang. So hindi nila maintindihan kung paano ka talaga magtatrabaho dito sa Yesland or sa real estate unless talagang turuan mo sila how to serve. So yun, ginamit ko po yung word na serve dito para masagot ko yung tanong nila sa atin. So enumerate ko yung serve. Sa una, yun nga, serve God through Yesland Realty and through real estate. Wala naman masarap pa talaga sa feeling na makatulong sa kapwa. And at yung mga kababayan natin na may mga pangarap na pwede natin tulungan na ma-achieve yung mga goals nila. Second, yung E is enthusiasm. Enthusiasm towards the dream to achieve. Dahil kung may pangarap ka, masigasig ka talaga na at magsusumikap ka na ma-achieve mo yung goals mo at yung pangarap mo. Then R is the realistic. All the circumstances and be honest mapa sa Yesland man yan, sa client, sa developer. So, gamitin natin po yung realistic natin. Kahit sa family natin, be realistic. Medyo bibilis ako no. Then V is the victory. Victory will come as you serve the Lord. Remember, all things are possible po with God. Then E again, then encourage. I encourage everyone to serve with God. With God here in Yesland Realty. Kayo pong lahat, my Yesland family, please serve the Lord with Yesland Realty. So remember the words na, yung sinabi nga ni Broker kanina, di ba? Serve again. So sabi ko nga nakarelate talaga ako kay Broker kanina. So yun. And so I am grateful and honor po talaga yung aking small team na Team Powerful Champion. Thank you po talaga sa inyong lahat. Especially to Divine, Rodel, Luz, sino ba nandyan sila? Yung mga bago namin mga seat, thank you po sa inyong lahat. Alam ko, magiging mas malaki pa tayong team. So, this is only the beginning. And with that, I will just want to leave this message. A true champion and a success is when you help others to grow and successful and grow. So let's serve the Lord with Yesland Realty. Thank you po.
Thank you, Yesland family, and thank you, Broker Nikki. Namiss kita. Broker Richard, thank you so much. Thank you sa opportunity na binigay niyo sa akin at sa family ko. And of course, Team Jerusalem, I'm so proud of you. Ang galing niyo for the whole year. Talagang naging consistent tayo. And to my Yesland family, isa lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Are you ready? Nothing can stop a person who is hungry. Kahit may edad ka na, kahit babae ka pa, kahit may anak ka, all the more na dapat hungry ka. Kahit may disability ka pa, kapag hungry sa mga bagay that will improve you and improve your family, you will succeed. So ang tanong ko sa inyo ngayon, ano ang kinagugutom mo? Better for life, for your family, financial freedom ba? Whatever it is, yakapin mo and let push you to go beyond limits. Gawin mo ang mga bagay na hindi kayang gawin ng iba. Magpursige, mag-extra effort, at huwag sumuko kahit gaano kahirap ang daan. Remember this, success doesn't belong to the smartest or to the most talented. It belongs to the hungriest. The one who refused to give up. Kaya kung nararamdaman mo yung gutom na yan sa loob mo, don't ignore it. Feed it with hard work, discipline, and determination. And lastly, let me leave you by saying, stay hungry but never satisfied. Patuloy kang mangarap, magtrabaho, because success is not just a destination, it's a journey fueled by hunger to get better. So kahapon po or nung isang araw, kasama ko po yung top 1 at top 2 natin sa buong Yesland family. At nagulat ako. Well, I'm not surprised because they already made their planning for year 2025. Sila po top seller natin, yet they are hungry. So ang tanong ko lang sa inyo ngayon, Yesland family, are you hungry for more? Yes. Alright. So, kayo na po ang may sabi niyan. Stay hungry. Marami pong salamat. Ako si Papa Jel, Sales Manager, Team Jerusalem. Thank you.